Hello everybody, we're currently working on a 2021 GMC Acadia. We're programming a new key. Currently the machine is doing its thing. This is the programming slot. As you can see on the bottom of your armrest, underneath all the junk, you got a cutout of the key. You literally simply lay the key in there, just like that. You lay the key fob right in here, okay, in the cutout, and that's where it learns the key as your machine is programming it. Also, if your battery ever died in your fob for a 21 GMC Acadia, and you try to start the car and it'll tell you no key detected on the dashboard, open the armrest, drop the key in here, put your foot on the brake and start the car. Okay guys, so once again, as you can see right now, it's waiting for the remote 4, which we don't need to do. This is the third remote in the system. And right now I'm closing out the programming cycle by holding on the button for 12 seconds as the machine's telling me to do. And we'll be done. So right now we're closing the cycle out. The key is already programmed and ready to go. 2021 GMC Acadia. Thanks for watching, guys.